David Waltzer, bankruptcy attorney and debt solution attorney here. And one of the things, so my favorite thing about being a bankruptcy attorney is that I help people on a day-to-day. And you never know what kind of case you're going to get. Sometimes you get inventors, sometimes you get people who had big businesses, lawyers, doctors, sometimes you get people who are maintenance workers, people living on Social Security, people who are retired, teachers, union workers. Every kind of person comes into my office, and at some point they need debt relief. And seeing these people come in a ball of stress and feeling overwhelmed and feeling ashamed and feeling terrible, and they come into my office and I take care of them and I treat them with respect and I get them relief from this debt, and they leave feeling good and they're standing tall and they have the weight of the world off their shoulders when we get rid of all this debt. And that's just so satisfying to see someone transform from ball of stress to liberated, happy person with an optimistic eye on the future. That's my favorite thing. My second favorite thing is beating up predatory creditors. These creditors are so abusive, and they hire these dime store nasty, ignorant fools to do collection on people, call them and scare them and harass them, and I have no sympathy for the creditors. When they were doing bankruptcy reform, there was a lot of talk about people abusing bankruptcy, and I'll tell you, I've have had over 10,000 cases pass through my office, and I've never seen someone, or maybe once, twice in my entire career, seen someone try to abuse the bankruptcy process. Most of the people are just good, hardworking, honest people who got stuck and needed help. But what I see all the time are abusive creditors. Creditors who set a situation up so that people default on their loans. People who want to pay them, and the creditors make it impossible for the people to get caught up, or to even get a break so that they can get their lives in order and then get caught up. The creditors make it impossible. And what I've learned is that that's just where the creditors want you. They don't want you paying everything on time. They want you paying interest for 10 years. And when I give them their comeuppance by eliminating all the debt that's owed to them, that gives me a lot of joy. Thanks.